I have few flower pots in my balcony, and I have a couple of them which are hibiscus flowers. This is the blooming time and I get almost 8 to 10 flowers every day. Today we'll be using these flowers for making hibiscus tea. I use some of these flowers in the morning for puja and then dry them up for future use. Hi everyone, I am back today. We are on a very green atmosphere with everything green around, the pollution having taken control. We are on a green mission. Today what we are trying to do is make a very healthy drink. It's called hibiscus tea. You all must have heard about hibiscus as a flower. This is the hibiscus flower. I have a small balcony and I have a couple of pots where these flowers are grown. I have plucked just now from the plant and making a very fresh tea. What we need to do is remove the stamen, or you can even use it with the stamen and this green part in the rear, which is called calyx. Maybe the biology teacher must be telling you. What we'll do is we can put a couple of flowers in a pot. What we are trying to do is make two versions. One is to be served hot, the other one will be served cold. While making it is same, but while we are consuming it, we will either consume it hot or we will add ice to it and keep it in the fridge for a while and then serve it cold. So we've added a flower here. We'll do it in this one also. What you can add is, to the taste you can add some ginger. We'll add lemon in the end and show you how it changes the color and the flavor. What we also do is, this is a fresh flower. What we can also do is use the dried out flowers. What I normally do is, I take this flower and put it for puja in the morning and let it dry for a while. Maybe in next couple of days I have some handful of dried flowers. So these can also be used. So I am adding a couple of flowers which are dried ones. See, you can remove the stamen and the calyx. Since this is a bigger jar, we'll put two of them. What we need is some hot water, and you can see the color changing as I add hot water. We will leave it for a while and see how the flower suddenly releases the color and makes a really beautiful color. You can already see, if you can see, this flower is already turned white. What we can do is either cover it up for a while with the flower petals inside, or we can remove the flower petals and then do it. So I'll remove the flower petals. So this is almost turned white. You can already see a color in this. If you want to add some ginger slices, you can do this. You can also add some clove and mint. I have mint here. Some mint leaves, fresh mint leaves. If you want cloves, you can add cloves. Just to your taste. And now you see what we'll do. We will add some lime into it. You can see the color. As I add lime, the color starts changing. It becomes a beautiful pink color. Can you see this lovely color? It will be taking some time to add the color. We can add back a couple of petals back into it. And now what we'll do is, since we are using this to use as a cold drink, we'll close this and keep it for a while. This we are using to be served hot. We will also cover this for a while so that everything which we have added starts releasing its flavor into the hot water. So it's a very simple process. You can do it. All you need is either a freshly plucked flowers, or you also get dried hibiscus flowers, petals. It is either you can dry it yourself, or you also get it ready-made, which are available in the market and even available online. To try and get that, this is a very healthy drink. The benefits, you'll have to Google it. It has all the benefits. And let's see now, are we ready to use it? I wish I could give it to you, but I'll try myself. Yes, this is the flavor. If you have a couple of more flowers, you will get further pink, which is a darkish pink color. This is good enough. 1 or 2 flowers are good enough for a cup of hibiscus tea. This we will be keeping for a while for the water to cool down, and then add some ice and keep it in the refrigerator, and then use it possibly by the evening. You can also add honey, but since I prefer it taking it with the natural flavor, I'm not adding honey. Those who would like to have it slightly sweet can add honey, which is again a very herbal and safe drink, safe to add into this. This serving it hot is also good for your throat, and in this time of COVID-19, all these things are going to help you to build up your inner resistance. So keep trying this out. You can do it. I'll be sharing the contents in the YouTube down below in the description. Anything you want to ask me or get back to me, you can ask a question on the YouTube. Hope you enjoyed this and you will try it today or maybe in a couple of days. All the best. Take care. Stay home. You must have enjoyed the hibiscus tea. While I was doing this, a small idea which came from my wife to do it, a very simple thing. What we can do is we can make kesar water. Kesar is saffron. What it all requires is some saffron. You add it in the water. You add some hot water to it. It can even take color if it is cold water. If you have about 4 to 5 strands of saffron, you can add it in a full jug of water. This water is another healthy water. This can be kept and consumed the entire day. Enjoy this also. Cheers.